Millomeris, a breathtaking waterfall located in Patras, a mountainous village of Cyprus. The water flows all year round from an incredible height of 15 meters, creating a thunderous yet beautiful sound. Birds can be heard singing from the distant woodland. Water trickles from the silvery rocks into a seemingly endless stream. There is a small pool at the bottom of the waterfall, perfect for a cool, refreshing dip. The stunning surroundings and serenity of this waterfall attract many tourists and visitors. Millomeris' continuous waterfall is a reminder of God's endless shower of love.